Can you really master Siri and VoiceOver from scratch in just one day? Many users feel overwhelmed by these powerful accessibility tools, but you are not alone. Today, we are breaking down these features to help you unlock the full potential of your Apple device, making it more efficient and accessible than ever before. The biggest hurdle is often just knowing where to start. It is completely normal to feel intimidated by complex settings, but once you begin, you will be amazed at how intuitive it becomes. Let us start with the basics. To send a message, simply say, "Hey Siri," send a message to a friend. For alarms, just say, "Hey Siri, set an alarm for 7. VoiceOver acts as your guide, reading out app names and buttons. Use simple gestures to scroll through lists or select items, turning your screen into a fully navigable interface. For a real boost, combine them. Use VoiceOver to find a setting, then ask Siri to toggle it. You can even have VoiceOver read specific screen information like weather or news. Mastering these tools will change how you interact with your tech. Try them out today. Share your favorite command in the comments, and subscribe for more accessibility tutorials.